In a landslide victory, Pittsburgh City Councilman Bill Peduto won the mayor's seat. Filled with supporters, politicians, and community activists, Peduto held his victory party in the heart of Homewood at the Greater Pittsburgh Coliseum, a move that many say sends a strong message about the changing landscape of the city.
It means that Bill, unlike some others, has not just talked the talk. Bill is walking the walk, and he's starting on his election night, making sure that all communities know that we're a fabric. We're not an island. Homewood, Garfield, the Hill District, Beltsuber, we're not an island.
It's making a statement. It's making a huge statement that he's not afraid to come to these urban communities. You know, right now a lot of these urban communities, especially on the East End, needs a lot of attention. And this is getting a lot of attention. A lot.
Supporters like City Councilman Daniel Lavelle say time will tell if Mayor-elect Peduto will keep supporting urban communities.
For me, it's not enough to simply have an event in Homewood on election night. The real testament will be what happens a month, 2 months, and a year from now. Are the resources and the dollars really flowing into Homewood, into Beltsuber, into the Hill, into California Kirkbride, like they should be? That'll be the real testament. But I think this is an initial step towards that.
Peduto says that he is committed to building and investing in communities of color.
Provide them the tools to help themselves. Create within the mayor's office itself new positions that work on urban empowerment, that concentrate on education, partnerships with faith-based institutions and nonprofits, and to concentrate on rebuilding business districts like right outside this door on Homewood Avenue and investing in housing.
A longtime city councilman, Peduto will succeed Mayor Luke Ravenstahl, who is not seeking re-election. I'm Allegra Johnson for UrbanMediaToday.com.